Hey guys, Chris Boomer here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
Happy Monday, everybody.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, oh man, it's been a crazy last 11 months, but we're down to the last day on GTO.
Yep, all you got left is what's left of today, and I guess tomorrow until midnight.
Midnight Pacific time, get your entries in to win this perfect GTO. What haven't we told people about this GTO over the last 11 months?
We're going to give you an I-1 plate. So whoever wins this, we're going to switch out the you-win plate for an I-1 plate, and that one is all yours. I don't think we've told anybody that. That's about the only thing we haven't talked about on this car. So
that's right. I don't know if when PJ came down here and gave you that close-up, if you guys got a sneak peek of those badges right there. Those, of course, from when it was judged, 397 out of 400 points. That's the Pokey Pontiac Club Junior Gold and the Senior Gold. Oh, that's a good idea there, Boomer.
there we go.
Yeah, look at that. 400 HO engine, 4-speed, though you can't see that. I promise it's there. Wonderful restoration on this. And this thing is turnkey.
Oh yeah, this car is absolutely gorgeous. It really is. I mean, the restoration of this car left no stone or screw unturned, I guess. And I'll tell you, I mean, you will not find a nicer 67 Pontiac GTO anywhere in the world other than this one. I mean, it's just a beautiful car.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, time's running out. We're down to almost the final hours, about 36 hours.
Yeah.
www.dreamgiveaway.com is where you can get your entries to win. And I've got to tell you, it's pretty popular to enter in the last day.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
If you can't enter early, you got to do it often.
Yeah, so I need you guys to enter often in these last 36 hours of GTO. Get those entries, help out those 9 great charities. You can see 7 of them over there on the chart, plus the 2. Oh, PJ's got this little gizmo graphic he can show you with the 9.
The 2 we recently added are Victory
giveaways.
Junction and 4 Kids.
Yeah, that's good stuff indeed. And we wanted to show you guys what's ending after GTO. Over here, the next one to end, Classic Corvette.
Yes.
Absolutely one of my favorite giveaways right now. Very special Corvette.
Oh yeah, I mean,
in the garage.
Yeah, I mean, this is an amazing car. It's a 427, 390 horse, 4-speed convertible that has so many options on it. They're almost hard to run down. I mean, this car was about $4,100 in sticker price, and then another almost $2,000, just shy of $2,000 in options. And the options include the upgraded alternator, the air conditioning, the transistorized ignition, the power boosted brakes, the teak wheel, the AM/FM radio, the power antenna, the knockoff wheels. I mean, whoever bought this car originally was out to create themselves one of the finest Corvettes made in '66.
Yeah, absolutely. And guys, it may look black on your TV screen or on your computer monitor, but this is a navy blue interior. And what we don't show it all the time, but that white convertible top and the white auxiliary hardtop come with it. So Boomer will show you the white convertible top right now. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Is that classic redefined or what?
And I mean, it's brand new. This thing hasn't even, we haven't even put it up, so we leave it down when it's in the shop. I mean, it's not even stretched out yet the way it's supposed to be. So, it'll be nice and tight for whoever gets this car.
And there you go. Yeah, beautiful Corvette there. Even looked like there were some classic
oh yeah,
floor mats.
Oh, look at me. I've got the classic plastic floor mats here, the clear ones. Those are pretty awesome.
If Grandma was around, she'd love them.
That's it. The same thing she had on her sofa.
That's right. Okay, let's go on over to what's ending after the classic Corvette. On that side, and down she goes.
It all closes. Oop, wait, there we go. All right.
Okay, and over here after the 2 classics, this means ending at the end of August.
Yeah, this may not be a classic yet, but someday
It will.
I have a feeling that it will be.
This will be a classic. 2018 Cadillac CT-SV Championship Edition, one of 86 made.
Yes. I mean, it comes standard with all of this cool carbon fiber on it. So carbon fiber front spoiler, the carbon fiber heat extractor, the carbon fiber rear spoiler, the carbon fiber accents on the interior. You get the really cool striping on here that actually says IMSA Champion 2017 Championship Edition. But don't let that fool you. It says 2017 Championship Edition because that's when Cadillac won the IMSA Championship, was in 17, and then this car was released in 18 to commemorate that championship.
Yeah.
Trimmed in the Morello red.
Oh, yeah.
On the inside, on the mirrors, just really, really neat. And then, of course, under the hood.
Supercharged V8.
Yep, this is the LT4 supercharged motor. Stock, it makes 640 with the Corsa Extreme Loud on this one. It's probably making 650, give or take. And of course, our friends at ACC, American Carcraft, added some really tasteful carbon fiber pieces in here just to kind of, set this off and accent it the way it probably should have been done. Just kind of cleans it up, makes it really classy looking under here. I like it. We get a lot of people say, I don't like that. I had somebody the other day go, it's glued on. No, it's not glued on. Are you serious? Okay, so if you don't like it, if you're one of those very few people who chews bubble gum from up underneath a table and you don't like this interior on this engine, I'll tell you what. The way it's put in here, it's actually put in with the push pins in the stock location. So literally, all you got to do is reach in here and pull on it, and it will pop right out. Everything comes out. The engine cover pops right off. You can see I just pulled it up there, and you can take it all off if you win it.
And there you go. Guys, 650-ish horsepower.
Oh, yeah. Real carbon fiber hood. That's real carbon fiber. That's not fake stuff, folks. That is a real, no kidding, carbon fiber hood that's been painted on the top side.
Yeah, and if you were to buy this vehicle new, way north of $100,000.
Oh, yeah. The guy, when we bought this car, the guy who originally owned this car, I think, had almost $120,000
wow.
in it with warranties and everything else.
And miles are super low on this.
Oh, yeah. What has it got on it? Like
under 20.
18,000, give or take? Yeah.
Yeah. What you got, PJ?
Nathan Higgins has a question about the Cadillac.
Yes.
On a special, does it have a special suspension setup for tracking the car, or is it mainly a drag setup?
Oh, no, it's definitely got magnetic ride control on it, and it's got a track mode on it, just like the Camaro 1LE, and though maybe not exactly like the 1LE, and like the last generation Corvette Z06.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's definitely not a standard Cadillac.
Yeah, not at all.
It is a very much special edition.
Yeah, and very much trackable as well. Let's go back and talk one more time about the GTO because time is running out for you guys to get your entries. Midnight tomorrow Pacific time, that's it. Can't get any more entries in. So get on over to www.dreamgiveaway.com or call the 800 number that you'll find on the website, or text PJ, tell him you need some entries. Whatever it takes, get those entries in, because 2 days from now, when we're talking about it being over, you won't be able to get your entries.
True. This car will be gone, and you're going to miss out on your chance to win one of the finest GTOs on the planet. Uh-oh, what do you got, PJ?
If you're anything like Benji, he just wants to send his buddy here with a flatbed to pick up both his GTO and his Caddy.
Well, good luck to you.
That's a positive attitude. Keep that going.
Yep.
Any other questions or comments from you guys?
Benji said he'll take 2 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck finding 2 of these.
Yeah, or 2 of these GTOs.
Yeah.
Either way. Well, guys, happy first start of the week. We will see you tomorrow for the last day of GTO. Get those last minute questions ready to rock, but most importantly, get those entries into often, as Boomer likes to say.
That's right. Go to www.dreamgiveaway.com. While you're over there making that donation to charity, take a look at all the galleries. You can see all the pictures of all the cars that we've got up and running right now. And of course, we've got something special coming at you. Again, because this car is ending, that means we've got another one starting. So the 1st of July, we are going to start another car. And I will, let's see, what can we do?
Just give them a hint.
It's maroon. It's maroon with black stripes.
Okay. I was going to say it's red with black stripes, but either way, I'm cool with it.
Yeah.
So it's very much a, well, it's not really a 4th of July car, but I mean, kind of.
It'll do a nice 4th of July burnout.
There you go. And we might do that for you guys as well. So we will see you tomorrow. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes. GTO ends tomorrow, and something that we're not going to give away yet starts on July 1st. It's going to rock your 4th of July weekend. We'll see you next time in the Dream Giveaway Garage.
See you next time.